Today, we're going to talk about communicating your value clearly because doing so is a career skill that you must master before 2026. But before we go further, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and this is week 11 of the 2025 fourth quarter challenge. We're in the third week of December 2025. And I'd like to remind you that you can like and subscribe to this channel. And I ask you to please do share with someone and invite them to join you as one of the subscribers. Now, let's proceed. Many talented people struggle in their careers because they cannot articulate what they bring to the table. This month, we're going to learn how to talk about ourselves with clarity and confidence. And here are three communications practices. The first, replace just and only with facts. Instead of saying, I'm just an analyst, say, I'm an analyst who specializes in translating complex data into actionable strategy. That way, you're accurately stating your value. Second, collect your impact stories. Keep a running document of your specific accomplishments. Get a journal. You can get one at the 99-cent store and do this instead. Say, right, I redesigned the onboarding practice that reduced training time from 6 weeks to 4 weeks, and I improved retention by 15% with that redesign. This is the proof that you need so that when you face an annual review or a job interview or that conversation about promotion, you've got the goods. The third thing is to practice your career narrative. You should be able to answer, what do you do, or what are you working toward in 2 minutes or less. In fact, I say in 90 seconds or less with energy and clarity. Be ready to tell your short story, where you've been, what you've learned, where you're headed, and why it matters. Your action step for this week is to write down 3 to 4 or even 5 of your accomplishments from this year. Make sure that they are specific and quantifiable accomplishments. Then practice saying them out loud. Practice until you know them cold. Practice with a friend. Practice with your relatives. Practice with your cats. Practice with the pillows on your couch. But practice it. And then get your journal ready so that you will be able to catalog your 2026 accomplishments going forward. I look forward to seeing you later this week with our next video, a personal career leadership tip. But in the meanwhile, think about it, quantify it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great balance of the day.